What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video. Hope all of you are doing well, folks. I'm sitting out here on a beautiful Monday morning watching the sun go up. I would have a cup of black in my hand right now, but I just drank it. So much for being prepared. So on the day where I installed my brand new lawn, more on that later, I actually had an opportunity to test out and use a brand new pressure washer from my friends over at the Snapper Company, and I did get a little bit of footage thanks to my good buddy Luke Kern here from Indiana helping me film that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some footage of how that did, and then we'll come back here in a little bit and recap what I think about that pressure washer, and on top of that, some raw pressure washing footage for your pleasure. So with that being said, let's get into it. 7 streams.
That's cool.
In the way.
Okay. That's your tightener right there.
So what I like about it so far is it's very easy to assemble, and you got 7 streams, so you can choose your own adventure.
Look at this. So easy.
Yeah.
Whereas the other ones, you have to take the head off and put the whatever head you want on there. This is pretty cool.
So much easier.
Wow.
So much easier.
That's pretty, that is cool. Because normally this isn't on power washers.
You know what though, Dad?
What?
I think this is like this is like the mower engine. You know how much the super recycler takes?
This is tight. I'm just leaving it.
The super recycler takes 18 ounces. All right, let's see. House with soap. Car. Walkway. Yep. All right. Okay, so first impressions, what do I think about this unit so far? So before I get into that, obviously I do want to say I do plan on doing a proper review on this at some point, but in the meantime I did want to go ahead and just take a second and give you guys my 2 cents. First off, the unit is very powerful, performs very well, and it is very, very comfortable in the hands as well. Now, one more thing I do want to point out that I think is really, really cool that I really haven't seen on any pressure washer before is the fact that you're able to actually change the modes on the actual nozzle itself. You see, instead of previous units that I've used where I've had to actually take nozzles and change them in and out, on this one all I simply have to do is change settings by turning the dial, kind of like you would on a garden sprayer, right? You can change it from car spraying to house spraying to sidewalk spraying to deck spraying, all of that on a turn of the nozzle, which is very nice. It's very comfortable, and it cuts back on the carbon footprint that you get from the tool itself. So with that, I will say Snapper, great work on that aspect of the tool. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, guys, that's really it. Just wanted to stop in here real quick and give you guys a little first look at this Snapper pressure washer. I want to say a big thank you to my friends over at Snapper Simplicity for sending this over and, you know, thinking of me in general when it comes to these little tools, because yeah, it sure does make my life a lot easier. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get on with things, watch the sunrise, and yeah, I'm going to go out and cut some lawns and have a great week here, and I hope you guys will do the same. So with that being said, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Later.